Killeagh by Kingfishr is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. The song is also in 3/4 time. We are going to start this song off with an A minor chord relative to capo. So we have 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the D, 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the G, and the 1st finger, 1st fret of the B. A and E strings open, all relative to capo. And for the strumming we have down, 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 1, 2 and 3 and. We're then going to move to a G major chord. So generally you play this with the 2nd, 1st and 3rd fingers. On the 3rd fret the low E, 2nd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the high E. For this song I like to play this with the 3rd, 2nd and pinky fingers because it makes the transition to the next chord, the C over G chord, just a lot easier to do in time rather than having to refinger entirely. But it's entirely up to you. It's fine to play it as a normal G, it's just I prefer to play it like this. For the G chord, the strumming is exactly the same. In fact, for most of the song, the strumming is exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, down, down, down. Okay, so we have the A minor, down, 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 G, down, down. We're then going to go to a C over G chord, which is essentially a C major chord, just with the G in the bass. Obviously we've got the capo on here, so this is functioning as a D chord in actual pitch, but we're using the kind of voicing for a C chord. So we have the 3rd finger, 3rd fret the low E, pinky finger, 3rd fret the A, 2nd finger, 2nd fret the D, 1st finger, 1st fret the B, G and high E strings are open. And the strumming again is exactly the same, down, down, down. So we have A minor, down, 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 G, down, down, C over G, down, down, and then we'll drop the 3rd, 4th and 2nd fingers down a string set to give us an F major 7 over C. So we have A at the 3rd fret, D at the 3rd fret, G at the 2nd fret, 1st fret of the B, high E string open, again strumming is exactly the same as normal, down, down, down. So we have A minor, down, 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 G, alternate voicing, C over G, F major 7 over C, A minor, G, C over G, F major 7 over C. The 3rd time through this pattern is different. We have A minor, G, but when we go to the C over G, instead of having the full chord down straight away, we're going to leave the 2nd finger off, hammering onto 2nd fret on the D, then going to the open, and then back to the strumming. So it's 1 hammer on, 2 off, 3 on. And then to the F major 7 as normal. So that 3rd time through play slowly is A minor, G, C with the G with the hammer on, off on, F, and then the last time through the kind of end to the intro is A minor, G, then to the F major 7 over C. So we kind of missed the C over G here, and we're going to sit on this chord for 4 bars, down, 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 down. The last 2 bars are just down, 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So that last time through is A minor, 2 and 3 and G, F major 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's the whole intro. So the whole intro is A minor, 2 and 3 and G, C over G, F major 7, repeated. 3rd time through, a little hammer on. Final time, no C over G. For the verse in this song, we're just going to play 4 times through the main chord progression. So A minor, G, C over G, F major 7 over C. So just 4 times through that. Now the chorus in this song has a few more chords in that we haven't played so far in this song. So we're going to start with the C over G chord, and we're going to strum as normal, down, 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 but then we're going to go to a D minor chord. 1st finger, 1st fret the high E, 3rd finger, 3rd fret the B, and 2nd finger, 2nd fret the G, D string open, down, 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 into an E minor chord, 2nd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D, rest of the strings are open, down, 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 and then to that F major 7 over C, down, down. So the chorus so far is that C over G, D minor, E minor, F major 7, and then we're going to go through the chorus as normal, so the A minor, G, then when we go to the C over G, put that hammer on part again before we go to an F major 7, and then we go through the first kind of 4 bars of the chorus again, so C over G, D minor, E minor, and to end the chorus, we go through the kind of outro for the intro, but we do this twice. So we have A minor, G, F major 7, F major 7, and back to A minor, G, F major 7, F major 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, and so that second time through we stay on the F for 4 full bars. So the whole chorus slowly is that C over G, down, 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 D minor, E minor, major 7, A minor, G, the hammer's on the C, F major 7, C over G, D minor, D minor, F major 7, and A minor, G, F over C, and again, A minor, G, F major 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and back into the verse. The very final 4 chords in the song are played in a different order to normal, so it's A minor, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, F major 7 over C, 1, 2, 3, C over G. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and finish.